twin Juliet, and as you can see, my hair is due to take down. This protective style is overdue, but then I don't have time to take it down in the next few days, so I want to stretch it a little bit. So I just want to show you how I'm going to be able to refresh just the front. Sometimes if I want to take it for another 2 weeks, I would just rebraid or retwist the front, because this is kinky twists, but I do want to take it down very soon, so there's no point in rebraiding. So I just want to show you how to refresh your braids or refresh your protective style, whatever protective style it is, whether it's box braids, kinky twists, you know, Havana twists, whatever it is. If you want to refresh it without having to rebraid, then this method should work for you. So all we're going to be needing today is an edge control. I'll be using the one by Cantu, and I really wanted to use my Shine and Jam, but there's barely anything left. It's almost all gone. It's almost all finished, literally. So I know I'm not going to be able to use it for a lot. So I'll be using more of this than this. But if you do have the Shine and Jam, this is the best. Like, this is my best product now for my edges. Literally, since I found it, I haven't bought anything else, and I'm going to buy another one like really soon. So all the products I'm going to be showing you and I'm going to be using are going to be in the description box, including where you can purchase them, so don't worry about that. You also need a rat tail comb, just the one with this, and then you need an edge brush if you've got this. This is these tiny clips right here. So these are also useful. And finally, just to moisturize my hair, I am going to be using this leave-in conditioner. And is it really a leave-in conditioner? I'm going to be using this, and I'm going to be using the Sunny Al JBCO. So just to moisturize my hair first. So let's begin. So I actually made these myself just 2 weeks ago. Yeah, so it's August now, so I made these like right before my birthday. So they're really long, all the way down my back. Let me see if I could get you to see it. So I made this myself. It's been a long time since I braided my hair myself, but I made these myself. I made them in under 5 hours because I had my mom do the parts for me. So all I needed to do was just like twist it up. So this is it. You know, my favorite color for this year, this summer, is maroon. If you are new to this channel, this is my color for the summer. I love maroon. So I did knotless box braids right before this, and I did take a break in between. So yeah, even if the videos look like it's back to back, it's like I did knotless box braids in May, but then this was done in July. So yeah, so this is what it looks like, and I am going ahead to moisturize first. Just going to switch this to on and moisturize. My hair is so dry. Now this spray sprays so much, like you can hardly control it, but it's not really my favorite. So if you've got any leave-in spray that you have, I do suggest that you buy that, but I don't really recommend this one. So yeah, and it's what's making that noises. So yeah, pretty much done spraying both my scalp and the length of my hair. Alright. This thing goes everywhere. It's on my glasses. It's just everywhere. Okay, anyway, then we're going to move on to the JVCO, and I'm just going to take a little, put it on my hands, and I'm not going to put anything on my scalp. I'm just going to be rubbing it all over the length of my hair. I do have a video on how I maintain my hair in protective styles.
I will link that in the description box below as well in case you want to check that out. It's fully detailed even with my nighttime routine. In case if you have beads in your hair, how to sleep with it, everything is on there. So I'm just going to take a little bit more and then rub it in. Just like squeeze it in, literally squeezing, so not so much. And then I'm going like that. Awesome. All right, so we're all done with moisturizing. Now we're going to start with the part that I want to do. So I'm gonna be starting off with the front. As you can see what the front looks like. My hair has really grown out. So this is it. And then take this part out as well. I'm thinking I might have to do 2 layers just to make it look a little bit neat, but then let me do the front bit first, and then I'll just tie this like so. Just tie it away. So you don't need any hair scrunchies, just tie it up, out of the way. Awesome. So now, this is what we're working with. And I'm going to start off with this one. You can see this is how much growth we have, which is pretty cool, pretty awesome. Take that back. And the first thing we're going to do is, let's start off with the Shine and Jam. Like let's use whatever is left in it. Just going to take some of that and okay, before then we're going to use our comb to separate so we know what goes where. So that, and then we apply this like so. So right now I'm just applying the Shine and Jam. Oh, let me take off my glasses. And then we're just going to twist it like this. And then put it out of the way. So if you have these tiny clips, you can use the clip to secure it. But if you don't, you can just wrap it out of the way. So if you have these tiny clips, you can use it to clip it out of the way to make sure it doesn't unravel. But then if you don't have to, you can just wrap it around your head. Okay, so that's the first one done. to hold some of them down, but then if you don't have this clip, you can easily just twist it in position and then tuck it into the rest of your hair, and it still stays. So I have this left, and you can see the difference between this side and this side. Okay, so it's not exactly brand new braids, but then this can help you put off when you're going to have to lose. Band is like this. It's from Swelly Curly, and I do have a link in the description where you can purchase it if you would like to. I'm just going to put it over my edges really gently and clip it on the so it's like a snap-on like that. I'm just going to push it up. And I'm going to push this up as well. Alright, so I'm going to leave this in for a few minutes, about 10 minutes, and then I'll show you the final results. So before I take these down, I'm just going to put some mousse on the length of my hair, just to reduce how much the ends of my hair are sticking out of the braid. So I'm just going to go ahead to take some parts and then just put the mousse like that and rub it down. So if you have those wraps, you can wrap your hair just to make sure it lays down, but then this also works. Just put it on the kinky twist and then use the praying hands method to rub it in. Then do it section by section to make sure you get everything. Don't be afraid to use too much mousse. There's no such thing as too much mousse. So I'm very heavy handed, and I'm just going to put it in because my hair absolutely absorbs everything. So, but if your hair is fine and it's low porosity, you don't need as much mousse as I'm using. But then this is just how I do mine. Then we're going to do the other side. Alright, lovely, it's time for the moment of truth. I'm taking these down now. There we go. And these are the results. Alright, so this is what we have. I'm just gonna tie it back so you can see properly, because this is pretty much how I wear my hair most of the time. I just put it in a half up, half down, like so, and I am off to work. So just put on my glasses so I can also see. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. Let me show you once more. And this pretty much, oh, this is a bit red, but that's fine, it'll all go away. Alright, lovelies, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And obviously don't forget to live well, live great, and pray always. God loves you and God bless you. Take care, lovelies. Bye.